This week on Building Charles James, I pick up some equipment preparing for an upcoming restaurant gig. I started the morning out at House of Hardwood, also a Festool dealer, and I picked up the tools as well as the varnish that I'm going to need for this upcoming project. Okay, so I just picked up the Festool 3 sander as well as the dust extractor. Thank you. Grabbing some food, we're going to go back to the shop and break it all out. The whole point of me getting the Festool 3 as well as the dust extractor is I have a job coming up, and most of my work is outside, but in this upcoming case, it's going to be inside a restaurant. And the last thing I want to do is worry about an extensive amount of cleanup, and or it's just really not acceptable to expense that much dust within a restaurant facility. What's neat about the Festool system is you can actually sand and vacuum at the same time. So basically your mess is being cleaned up as you go. The vacuum is actuated once you hit the trigger on the sander, and it will stay on even after you release the trigger to clean up the rest. You also can use the Festool CT26 HEPA filter vacuum to vacuum. There's an extensive amount of accessories for this vacuum as well. A dust chamber, which I'm kind of interested in picking up. We might see that in a little bit, as well as a bunch of attachments. It's pretty easy to install the dust bag. It's got a nice little rubber ring to it that slips right over the vacuum port, slips right down into a groove, and snaps in with the green lever on top. Make sure your bag is distributed evenly throughout the chamber, and it'll ensure maximum flow. I think I'm going to go ahead and install the top, unwrap some of this cabling, and check out all the other accessories so we can set this baby up.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia?
There's two different power settings on the Festool CT26. It has manual and auto. Auto turns on when you turn your tool on. One thing I like about the Festool 3 is, one, it's ergonomic. Two, it feels really good, like you can just sand through about anything. It's extremely powerful, and it's also consistent. It's got a nice little lock button, so you don't have to hold the trigger the whole time when you're using it, and you can focus on keeping a nice consistent sand. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up if you like this video. Come back next week. We'll be testing out the Festool 3 and seeing if we could find a finish that will protect against bitters for our bar project. See you next time.